Alright, good morning, shadows. So we are out and about getting ready to tour Old Town, check out some cool sights. This is my last day in Ulcinj. I think that's how you pronounce it. Still kind of learning. Yeah, so let's get this day started. Climbed up the stairs, there's two paths, so I'm trying to decide which one to go. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's a little windy today, so sorry if that gets caught up in the mic, but a little overcast, not too sunny. Probably the best day for me to be here, so I don't burn. And yeah, look at the view. Definitely not shabby. All right, I think I've made my decision. I'm going to go down path instead of that one first, and then we'll come back to this one. All right, guys. Right now, and I have to say, the views are amazing and it's pretty cool. I like to walk the outskirts, so that's kind of what I'm doing, and then we'll see how it goes. I mean, yeah, we'll take some more pictures, that's for sure, but it's very touristy slash like consumerist kind of old town. It's definitely different than the old towns that I'd been into before, in some aspects, and other aspects kind of the same. Kind of similar to Nafplio's old town. So, but Nafplio did not have these. So just finished up in Old Town. Honestly, it's a little too commercial for me. It's beautiful to see, and definitely take your time to go see it. But you don't have to spend hours there. I mean, it's like I said, it's a little commercial. Like there's things on the entrance that says Bar Kalaja, which I assume is like town castle would be my guess. But it's okay. I mean, it's definitely not my favorite old town. I'm really hoping that the nature hike that I'm going to try to find now is more worth it. Like I said, definitely don't skip it, see it, but don't allot yourself more than 45 minutes. I think you'll be fine. Unless you're into like just sitting down at a good restaurant. There's lots of restaurants up there. So yeah, that's my take on the old town. Let's move to this. Alright guys, so I am sure that this is going to be my favorite part of the event because it's already so beautiful and so peaceful. Like I said, Old Town was fine, but this is going to be really cool. It's very beautiful. Like the pine forest next to the ocean, I think is probably my favorite thing in the whole world. So yeah, we're going to continue walking. I just took a little break to get some water and just like kind of, you know, like typical like envelop all the feelings and the atmosphere. So yeah, I'm gonna stay here for a few more seconds and then we'll continue on. Absolutely amazing. So peaceful, so quiet, just so much beautiful scenery to be seen, and just listen. Like, utter peacefulness. I think if I lived here, I'd probably do this like once a day. Like, I would finish work and go for a walk here because it's just, I can't believe I'm doing this, guys. Like, shadows like this. There's sometimes moments where like there's just something that happens that just kind of touches you a little bit and makes you realize the adventure that you're on, the journey that the dream that you're conquering, like all of that stuff. And I'm sitting here with this crystal clear greenish blue water and the waves wrapping and this pine forest behind me. And although I know there are places like this in the United States, there's something to be said about here, like here in this moment. Outstanding. I'm tearing up a little bit, guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna sit here, listen to the waves for a few seconds, and then we'll continue on our hike. Meanwhile, this is my Alright guys, so I'm heading back. Lunch was perfect, totally refueled, but I'm really tired and it's starting to get kind of warm, so time to head back. So I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here for Ulcinj, and just kind of give you my take on it and everything. So it's a really great like city to like just chill and relax. Great nature walk. I love that part. Old Town is worth seeing, but don't spend too much time there. The walk was much more interesting. The people are really nice. I really suggest if you come to Ulcinj to stay at Hostel Pirate. Deanna and the staff are amazing, and it's just a really fun environment. A lot of good conversation, met a lot of really great people here. So the rest of the day I'm pretty much just going to be packing and relaxing and working, so I'm going to leave it here. This vlog, it may not have been as interesting as some of the others, it may not have been as cool, but I think you're along for the ride, so you kind of have to know like there's going to be days like that and there's going to be places like that where it's just a chill environment. I really needed to recoup. I had been going and seeing everything, and I just needed some really cool downtime, and it really refreshed me. And so now we're on to Budva tomorrow. So yeah, this is where I'm gonna leave it. If you come to Montenegro, definitely come to Ulcinj. 3 days is probably enough. 4 days if you really want to just chill and relax. And I, once again, cannot say enough. Stay at Hostel Pirate. It's such a great place. Alright guys, until the next video, let me know in the comments below what you thought of Ulcinj, if you've been there, if you're gonna come, if you're coming to Montenegro. Just give me any kind of information, any comments or anything. Let me know what you think. And until next video guys, safe journeys.